Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jump Ant Killer. First, identify where ants are active, looking for trails and entry points into your home. Next, clear away any food sources or debris that might be attracting them. Always read the product label carefully to understand specific safety instructions and recommended application rates before you begin. This ensures effective and safe use of the product. Once prepared, apply the Jump Ant Killer directly to ant mounds or along their active trails outdoors. If you're dealing with indoor ants, use bait stations placed in areas where you see activity, ensuring they are out of reach of children and pets. Remember to reapply the product as directed on the label, usually every few weeks, to maintain effective control. Safety is paramount when using any pest control product. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection during application to prevent skin or eye irritation. After you've finished, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Store the ant killer in its original container in a secure location, safely out of the reach of children and household pets. After applying the ant killer, monitor the treated areas closely. You should notice a significant reduction in ant activity within a few days. Once the infestation is under control, clean up any dead ants and remaining bait. To prevent future issues, consider sealing cracks and crevices in your home's foundation and around windows, creating a less inviting environment for ants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.